we'll start. Guys, I have to go from starting again, so I'll just go fast with the starting 2-3 kurtis and we'll go for the next one. So the first one what I showed you was royal blue. It has beautiful work on this with the thread work and the moti work also. So whoever didn't take the screenshot can take it now. And on the buttons also there's a fine embroidery on this. It has side slit and the sizes in this is 38, 40, 42 and 44. The length of it is 46 and it's for 1500. 1500 friends, take a screenshot. I have another color in this, bottle green. Very nice, beautiful work on this. And the same sizes in this also, 38, 40, 42 and 44. You all can take a screenshot. It's for 1500. The second piece was this in peach color. Beautiful work over here. You can see the work. Complete thread work, and it has gotapatti work on the sleeves also. And the best part of this is it comes with the beautiful dupatta. You can see, and the dupatta has all the four sides this gotapatti with lace on it and even weaving on this. The whole dupatta has weaving. Even in this we have 38, 40, 42 and 44. And the price for this is 1350. 1350 friends. I have another color. You all can take a screenshot friends. I have another color in this. Turquoise green. Even in this it has beautiful work, moti work over here, and on the sleeves also it has gotapatti, and over here also it has beads work, and the material is chanderi, and even the golden lines you can see over here. The whole kurti has golden weaving over here. And this also comes with a beautiful dupatta. And whole dupatta has weaving on it. So friends, you all can take a screenshot. Sizes are 38, 40, 42 and 44 and it's for 1350. This one another piece, it's in cotton. It has gotapatti work on the yoke with beautiful embroidery in the neck. You can see the work. And it has gota work on the sleeves also. And this comes with a beautiful garara. इसका आप घेर देख सकते हो. ये एक साइड का घेर है, ब्यूटिफुल घरारा, एंड इवन इन घरारा इट हैज गोटापट्टी वर्क नीचे बॉटम में, इलास्टिक है ऊपर एंड विद ब्यूटिफुल टैसल्स. एंड द साइजेस इन दिस आर 38, 40, 42 and 44, and this is for 1500. And the length of it is 46. 46. And the price is 1500. You all can take a screenshot friends. So another piece in cotton. This is in cotton. And in sleeves it has such beautiful embroidery. You can see such colorful embroidery with red, white, green. And the beautiful part is it has work at the back. At the back it has work. You can see how neat the work is. ये कॉटन में है. And the length of this is 46. It has sizes in 38, 40, 42 and 44. And the price for this is 999. 999. The price for this is 999. So friends, you all can take a screenshot of this. I have another color in this. Friends, this is not exactly red nor pink. It is cherry pink color. So very beautiful it looks after wearing. And this also has work at the back on the sleeves. The neck is like this. And the sizes are 38, 40, 42 and 44. And the price is 999. So you all can take a screenshot of this also, friends. If nobody's taken the screenshot of this, you all can take this. It's in black color. You all can pair it with beautiful white bottom with white legging. It looks really pretty. So this is another piece in rayon. It's in rayon, friends. It has a mirror work with the thread work on this, with grey and white color thread work with mirror buttons. It is in denim blue color. You can see on sleeves also it has the same work. And the sizes in this also are 38, 40, 42 and 44. And the price is for 900. 900. You can see the work, so beautiful it is. You can pair it with jeans also, this one. It looks really good. So friends, take a screenshot of this. It has side slit. Side slit है इसका. Everybody take a screenshot and WhatsApp me on 988666388. I repeat, 988666388, and this one is for 900. The number is pinned, friends, so you all can WhatsApp me on that number. This one is another piece in bandhani with gota patti, and it has a tassels in the front in the neck. It has buttons also. The length of this is 33, friends. The length, it is short kurta, 33. No, this has a beautiful sharara. It has a sharara, so the kurti isn't short. It is 33, sizes 33, and this is with sharara, with kota patti here, and with beautiful dupatta also, cotton dupatta, and on dupatta also you have gota patti work with bandhani patti and white with pink combination. and the sizes are 38, 40, 42 and 44, and the price is for this is 1100. 1100. It has side slit also, and साइड स्लिट पे भी गोटा पट्टी है और स्लीव्स पे भी गोटा है विद बॉटम का जो बॉटम है उसका यहाँ पे पट्टी लगाई हुई है विद गोटा पट्टी. So it comes with 33 bottom. The length of it is 33 top with beautiful sharara and dupatta. So guys, you all can take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of this. And the price is just 1100. 1100 is the price. Okay, this is another one. Even this is in cotton, and this also has mirror work. The whole top part, the whole thing has mirror work. It looks like khadi kurti, and the length of it is 46. It has size in 38, 40, 42 and 44. And the price for this is 950. I repeat, the price for this is 950. You all can take a screenshot. It has a slat. It doesn't have a slit, guys, in this. It has a slit in the front. It doesn't have side slit. It has a slit in the front. It has a slit in the front with complete buttons, but these buttons are stitched. It doesn't open. These buttons are stitched. So quickly take a screenshot, friends, and WhatsApp me on 988666388, and the sizes available are 38, 40, 42 and 44. And the price for this is 950. 950. Okay, you can see another kurti over here in rayon. This is in rayon material, friends. It has beautiful work on the yoke part with beautiful moti, sequins and even thread work. It has a combination of moti, sequins and thread work. The sleeves also has embroidery on it. And the sizes are 38, 40, 42 and 44. The length is 45 and the price is 1150. And it has a beautiful tassel also over here for tying and with the side cut. It has side slits with tassels. It is for 1150. So fast take a screenshot and you all can WhatsApp me on 988666388. So finally I come with the dress I worn. So guys, the whole dress has gota work on this. The whole thing is with gota patti with beautiful sleeves, and the sizes available in this also is 38, 40, 42 and 44. And the material of this is chanderi, and the sleeves also has full gota patti. It has side slit with gota on this also, with the on the side slit also it has gota patti. And you can see fine stitches over here. The whole kurti has fine stitches like this. It gives really a very rich look. And this has with a dupatta also. So even in this I have sizes 38, 40, 42 and 44. And the length of it is 47. And the price for this is 1300. Price for this is 1300. You all can take a screenshot fast and WhatsApp me on 9886668388. And the best part is it has lining also in this. ये पूरी कुर्ती लाइनिंग के साथ है, पूरी नीचे तक लाइनिंग है इसकी, with buttons over here. And just 3 buttons is you can open it, बाकी सब stitched है यहाँ पे. So friends, take a screenshot. I have another color in this. It's in bottle green color. Even this has complete gota patti with collar, buttons, sleeves and with a fine dupatta. और दुपट्टे में भी वीविंग है, जेरी वीविंग. So friends, take screenshot of this. And WhatsApp me on 9886668388. Sizes available are 38, 40, 42 and 44. So these 2 colors available in this. You all can take the screenshot. So I am done with today's kurtis. Do anybody want recap? Should I go fast with the recap? If anybody joined late, so that I can do it fast for you all. Okay, I think everybody's watched it. Okay friends, thank you so much. I am wearing 38 friends. This size is 38. So 38 is M size, 40 is large, 42 is XL and 44 is double XL. So you all can WhatsApp me on 9886668388. And friends, there's one offer for you all. Today is my opening page of this. So whoever WhatsApp me today, just today who orders it, will get shipping free. And whoever orders it tomorrow, shipping का charge लगेगा फिर. So आज ही आप order कीजिए ताकि आपको shipping free मिल सके. Enjoy and thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home, stay safe. Thank you friends. There is no COD रेखा जी. आप मुझे पेटीएम या गूगल पे कर सकते हो. COD अवेलेबल नहीं है. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching me. Take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye.